Good afternoon, greetings from Heindel Motorcycle Sales, Eaton, Ohio. So here we are, Saturday afternoon. I don't know, it's about 2 o'clock when the video is being produced. Still here at the shop. Was planning on being here for a little bit this morning, and it turned into, it's going to be a full day before it's over with. Just normal. Anyway, we thought we'd bring you a little update here on our KLR PakMul projects from LBS Sidecars USA. Of course, we bought a couple of units that were pre-rigged. I've had a lot of interest in the product. Very well built machine, sidecar motorcycle, manufactured in the USA. Yes, they start out with a KLR base, and then everything's added from there. Would you look at there? That's a bee. It's officially springtime. Yep, here it comes. Anyway, we started adding some accessories to this KLR. KLR PakMul. This one is a 2024 model year. You see it still has the side stand on it, but of course you're not buying it for the KLR. You're buying it because you want a sidecar motorcycle, and there's no factory produced sidecar motorcycle currently on the market. Yes, Ural's going through some changes, and their new product hasn't entered production yet, so technically, as of today, in the United States, there is no factory produced sidecar motorcycle setup available. So what do? We'll go ahead and go with the KLR 650 with the Ural sidecar. Do have the tub added, and we can equip these multiple different ways. I'll be more than happy to, you buy the new unit, throw in the tub and the haul deck with it. So that gives you a phenomenal value. That tub from Ural, you guys got to remember, Ural price MSRP on that from the good folks at Urbit, I think it was about $7,000 just for the tub. Yeah. There's a lot of sheet metal work goes into that, plus they're low volume, all that good stuff. I'm not going to try to fill you in on all the pricing details. I know we have plenty of experts out there that'll do that for us. Anyway, back to the product. We do have sidecar tub added onto the LBS Sidecars USA PakMul unit. If you heard me mention before, it is a Ural frame, sidecar frame underneath. So that makes it so that the tub actually bolts right on. And of course, this was a pre-owned tub that we had. Haven't removed the brake fluid reservoir as of yet. You can see there on the sidecar frame, it even has the mount for the master cylinder for the sidecar we would have had on the gear up model. Probably eventually it'll be a brake out there on the sidecar wheel. Not really necessary. It's a lighter weight outfit. Haven't had an issue with not having a brake. So being the Ural base on the sidecar unit, it's great because all of their accessories will bolt right up. I have front bumpers we can put on there. You can get spotlights, light guards for the sidecar fender, all that good stuff. And then on this unit, we went ahead and added the Italian style luggage rack. Threw that on there. And then those of you that are Ural fanatics, you may recognize that. Yeah, I bet you didn't know that. That's the reverse lever off the transmission that they used before they went to the heel toe a few years ago. And of course, all the splines are the same. The splines on this unit underneath here are the same as the splines on the reverse lever, as well as on the shift lever of a Ural motorcycle, not on the KLR. And then we added a GV top box to it. I think that's about $500 with the mount. Threw that on there, so it'll all be included as the setup. So as we keep tricking it out, the price doesn't change. The price is the price. So you've seen that published. It's published on our website. So as John keeps customizing and adding stuff to it, that's the way it comes out. So it's a nice afternoon. We'll set you up here and we'll sputter around outside with it so you can see it operate. And then we'll publish a driving video of it. And those of you that have never seen underneath, you'll see you just have the two bolts on either side there, and then it's through a saddle bracket right here. Bolts up. Ural tonneau cover will go right on. Of course, the other one that we have still has the Ural branded step on it. This one's had the LBS Sidecars USA custom step added. Warp 9 Elite wheel, 17-inch. Same tire out there as is on the rear of the motorcycle. Can't even speak here this afternoon. And then you see the way they did the wiring. You don't have to break it loose. That's the factory connector. Well, it is factory connector. I got to give Mike some more credit than what I do. He's a factory, I guess. Yeah, factory connector there. So it had the driving light on the other unit, so we unplugged that and got her over there. And you see then the other plug back there. That's for the fender lights. So if you guys are in the market, give us a call, send us an email. You know how to get a hold of us. Share the videos. The more people that find out about sidecars, the more people will buy sidecars in general, find out how much fun sidecarring is. And it's not just an old guy sport. I take offense if you call me an old guy. Not all that old. As always, guys, really appreciate you watching. In case you haven't figured out, I know there's a lot of folks on the channel that think everything that I say is 100% just serious, and I'm very condescending to some folks. That's funny. You've never met me in person. Lighten up a little bit. Life's too short. As always, guys, really appreciate you watching. Heindel Motorcycle Sales, Eaton, Ohio.